Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG 4MATIC Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you've got the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the red brake calipers just behind. Coming to the front of the vehicle, you'll notice we've got a panoramic glass sunroof on top just there, and here's a look at the front view of the car with the blacked out Mercedes badging, red AMG text on the right hand side of the grille just there. Coming round to this corner you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. You've also got the black wing mirrors, chrome door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, and there's a closer look at your sliding glass panoramic sunroof. Coming to the rear you've got the spoiler just there, which really sets the back end off nicely. There's a closer look at your third 19-inch alloy wheel. Heading to the rear now, you do have front and rear parking sensors as well as a reversing camera. We've then got the dual exit exhausts, one on either side, and there's a look at the rear view of the car. Black badging there as well. Coming around to this corner you'll see that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and let's head on to the interior next. Starting at the rear, we've got the full black leather interior with the contrasting stitching, and how great do these seats look. You've got the fold down armrest in the centre, ISO fixed points within the seats, storage nets behind the front seats. On the doors we've got our Burmester integrated sound system, electric window controls and brushed metal handles. Heading on to the front now, that same full black leather interior. Now both front seats are heated as well as being electrically adjustable with the memory functions, and there's a better look at your sunroof from inside the vehicle. Now on the door as well, here we've got our unlock and lock button, brushed metal handle, electric power folding wing mirrors with electric window controls and child lock for the rear. You've then got your auto light controls on the right hand side. Stepping inside the vehicle now, foot on the brake, start stop button just behind there. Now as you can see we've got the digital display ahead of us, and how fantastic does that look. Go back down there we go. Multifunctional steering wheel. Now this is the facelift steering wheel as well, which looks fantastic. Different controls like cruise control, speed limiter. You've got a touchpad on either side for controlling the screen ahead and in the centre. Paddle shifters as well for taking manual control of your gears. Now coming across to the infotainment screen, you've got features like satellite navigation, different forms of media connectivity like Bluetooth and USB. You've also got your DAB radio, telephone connectivity for making calls from your mobile device or listening to your music. If we go into the home screen here, you've got the phone, nav, radio, media. If we go into the comfort here, you've got the ambient lighting with a huge array of colours to choose from, which looks fantastic at night time. Taking a step back and going on to seat comfort, you'll see we've also got the seat kinetics, so relaxation through light seat movements. Back to home, you've got performance stats in there, different apps, and then your settings. If we go on here quickly, across to assistance, you'll see we've got a load of different assistant settings in here. Very high-tech vehicle. Just scan through those now so you can see those in action. Now put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see your reversing camera as well as a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors. Scroll up, you've got your wide angle, and then again you've got your parking assist. Back into park for now. You've then got different dynamic driving modes consisting of slippery, individual, comfort, sport and sport plus, so you can pick and choose which driving mode best suits your driving style at the time. Now working our way down, you've then got these fantastic looking vents with the gloss black trim, dual zone climate control, so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Below here you'll find two good sized cup holders, USB-C connection point and additional storage space. You've then got various shortcuts as well as your touchpad for the infotainment screen. Moving on down, you've then got your M button to take manual control with the paddle shifters should you wish. You've also got your traction control there as well. Soft touch leather armrest in the centre, which also doubles up as storage too. Now last but not least, of course, we've got the panoramic glass roof, which to close will simply press down on that switch there. And as you can see and hear, that all works exactly as you would expect. The blind will then retract, and there's a look at it fully open like so. And then again, same switch, we can close the blind, and again that all works exactly as you would expect. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.